back, my friends. This video is very exciting for me as these are very rare opportunities, but this is Lindsay coming back at you with 2 data entry work from home job leads. We'll get straight into it. So the links to apply to these if you are interested are in the description box below. And if you're new to this channel, please go to my main channel page and check out all of my videos as this channel is all about working from home and bringing you daily work from home job leads. But for those of you that are not aware, the 1-800-Flowers.com company that we are all familiar with, where you can order flowers online and have them delivered throughout the United States, they own a bunch of smaller companies, including a Cheryls Cookies and a popcorn company. And of course, they are ramping up their hiring for the seasonal jobs because we are getting ready to go into the holiday season where everyone is going to be ordering all kinds of things. So this is for my United States folks only. But first up, we have Cheryls Cookies, and they are hiring a data entry associate to work from home. They are specifically looking for someone to process Excel macro and non-macro orders proficiently. You'll process incoming paper orders from both consumer and corporate sales divisions in a timely manner, meeting demanding deadlines. You'll process the customer gift history. You'll manage incoming communications in a prompt, efficient, and timely professional manner. You'll monitor and maintain business and product knowledge information. You'll process any fax and email orders. So you need to have excellent communication and organizational skills, being able to multitask and type 35 words a minute. You need great spelling and grammar and to be detail oriented. And they also want someone who is self-motivated since you are working from home and who is a team player. Now, because this is order processing job, they are looking for someone who can accommodate changing work schedules that can include weekends and late hours during the holiday season. If that is you and you have good active listening skills, good math and time management skills, and good critical thinking skills, then they are interested in you. Get those applications in. It does tell all about how the Cheryls Cookies is associated, 1-800-Flowers down here. Now, the job description does not list any pay, salary, or any kind of benefits. Those would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. And along the same lines, the 1-800-Flowers company also owns the popcorn factory, and they are hiring a data entry associate to do the exact same thing. You'll be processing incoming paper orders from consumers and corporate sales divisions. You'll have to process customer gift history, process fax and email orders. This is the exact same thing, but working for the popcorn factory. So the links to both of these jobs will be in the description box below. All right, as always, if these job leads were not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the description anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.